Okay, girls, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and we are. What's the word?
Passive nomads.
Well, you could use passive nomad, you could use live, whatever you want. So 3, 2, 1, and
We are on live with Passive Nomads on the YouTube channel.
what about like yo 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 and welcome back to the channel? Alifa.
Yo, welcome back to the channel.
That's very good. So we're going to do some question time, yeah? We're going to ask these two questions. These two from Madagascar. They are in their 30s. And here is the questions. So let's start with population of the world. What's the world? You're both teachers, yeah? So I think Nancy's a geography teacher. So she should know what the population of the world is. I think she also teaches history as well, which also you should know what the population of the world is if you're a history teacher. So this question we'll start with Selena. Ask her.
Ah? Populasyon mundial mana ukur. Because kinche mazai. Populasyon mundial check geography mazai. Geography is like populasyon mundial mana ukur Madagascar. Down the monde.
We're not interested in Madagascar. We want the population of the world. Just one guess. It doesn't matter if you're wrong. Just what's your guess?
Dans le monde, fa 4 milliards.
What's the guess?
Milliards. She don't know around milliards.
A milliard. How much is a milliard?
One million?
1,000 million.
Yeah.
1,000 million. 1,000 million. What's that? A billion?
Billion, yeah. Billion.
1 billion's 1,000 million. 7 billion.
7.
Roughly 7.
My guess is 3 or 4.
That's very honest of you, Nancy. Very honest. Okay. Who is David Beckham?
Someone who plays football.
Very good. 1 point to Selena. Okay. Who was the last president of the United States of America? The last one. Not the one now, the one before. We've just finished.
The person who don't say nothing. I know. She forget the name.
She forgot. Too late for her. What's your guess?
Joe Biden.
Very, very nice. Okay, that's good. I'll give you half a point each. Like 1 point for Nancy, half a point for you. All right, next question. What's the monthly salary of a lawyer, an avocat in France? In Paris. For a month, 1 month.
100,000 euros, she said.
How much is that?
100,000 euro.
100,000 euro a month.
Yeah.
And what do you think?
I guess around 3,000 euro.
I think that it's going to be more like 8, 9, 12,000 euros a month. I think 8 to 12,000 euro is the real figure. Yeah. In Paris, that is. Okay. What's a coffee cost in a coffee shop in America? 1 coffee. Selena.
$1.
$1.
Cash?
What do you think?
In America?
Hmm.
Yeah. Same as that.
$1. I think you're more likely to pay $5 to $8. I don't know myself, but I think $5 to $8 probably for a coffee in America. Let us know in the comments if you know how much a coffee is in America in Starbucks.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking as well.
Is there more land or water in the world?
Ti beva? È superficie. Run. Rieki.
The sea, the ocean.
And you?
Yeah, the same.
You're correct. 1 point each. There is more water than land. Have you ever gone out of the house without underwear?
If I need working chance to sleep
Ah, sì possible. Waha.
What about
Yes.
you? You have?
Yeah.
Nancy miss. You have miss. Your cousin. Crazy. Huh? A dollar, crazy girl. You forgot. How can you forget to wear underwear? Don't be silly. You don't forget to wear your knickers. Don't even give me that. You don't. Anyway, it's questions and answers. It's a yes or a no. It's not like an argument about it. Like,
Yes.
oh my god, I can't believe you just let the whole of the world know that. Like, that's crazy. If you could be any age for the rest of your life, what would you be? If you could be any age, but you had to stay that same age for the rest of your life, what age would you be?
Ja, tanura ako.
34, she said.
You'd stay 34 for the rest of your life. Yeah. What about you?
Me?
Yeah.
I would like to stay 23.
23. What's the best way to waste time?
Tiahi.
Cooking.
That's the best way to waste time. Yeah? What about you?
Me, to wasting my time. Look after my flower.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the most annoying thing about your face?
Yun lahat yung magdagilim sa rin.
Ano tari ako? Puro ko.
Nose.
What about you?
Me. My forehead.
Yeah?
Too big.
That's nice. Does money bring happiness?
Punta ka sa barang na ito.
Miregdera Marco.
Yes. Yes.
It does. Okay. If your dad robbed a bank and he got caught and the judge said either he goes to prison for 10 years or you go to prison in his place for 1 year, would you go to prison or would you let him do his 10?
Lababanaw himamakita. Chachanzay. Juge na dyan, ibulaw. 10 ans prison, babanaw, na swa, iha, en prison. At ano, buhirado sa indano, ipitan. Yeah, she's doing 1 year.
What about you?
Me too.
You do a year each for your dads?
Yeah.
Crazy. What's the most romantic thing you can think of?
Hindi romantic yesterday.
Manur.
Kissing.
Kissing? Oh, that's so sweet. What's the most stupid thing you've ever done?
Hindi stupid na to.
Stupid mo ako.
Hang on a minute. You haven't given your answer. What's your answer, Nancy, for the most romantic thing you've ever done?
My romantic things. The person who is doing it to me, or I do it to the person.
I don't know, like what's the just whatever you can think of, even if you sit on telly.
To get some flower from someone.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about what did she say? Oh, kissing.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the most stupid thing you've ever done?
She said putting wet on the rear and it's not in the right side but in the inside.
Oh my god. And what about you?
Me. Stupid things I have done. Spending my husband's money.
Oh, that's so sweet, Nancy. Spending your husband's money.
That's stupid of me. That's.
No. Is there any other universes? You know, like we've got the planet, we've got the Earth here, and we're in a universe, yeah, of the oxygen and the air around us and other planets maybe in this universe, like Mars and stuff like that, Jupiter, right? Saturn. Is there another universe somewhere else like that? With, yeah? What did you think?
Mar. Many.
Many,
Yeah.
but there's no proof of that.
There is.
Is there? I don't think there is, but maybe there is. I don't think there is. Is there life on other planets? Like humans?
Tsy taloha maro sa fe mbo tsy ohatrany mbo tsisy raha ohatrany mbo misy evolutioky.
Till now, it's Mars. But what you have seen is just there is air there,
Yeah.
not a population.
But there's no people, or there's people in Mars. Is there people on Mars? No?
Sisulu. No.
But people maybe can go there. Ah, that's good. You've been watching Elon Musk and stuff, huh? Do you know who Elon Musk is?
I know Elon Musk. No.
Do you know who the richest man in the world is?
I know yung parang panakaroon na namuntan ko. No.
Elon Musk is the richest man in the world.
Elon Musk.
He's worth about 400 billion, just over 400 billion, I think. Dollars.
Really?
Yeah.
So why he is in the politics of the government in America?
He's sticking his nose in where it's not belonged, really. Like,
Really?
yeah, when he should be concentrating on X and Tesla, earning me money. That's what he should be doing. But instead, he's messing about with the president, losing half the voters who voted for not Donald Trump. Obviously, he's Donald Trump's side now. So the other half are like, maybe they're going to be like, I'm not buying a Tesla. I won't be seen dead in a Tesla. I'm not getting a Tesla taxi. Blah de blah.
What is a Tesla?
A Tesla? What's a Tesla? There's a question. That's a question, and I'm answering the questions. I'm asking the questions. I'm the question guy.
Okay.
Yeah. So you don't answer questions, right? You want to know what a Tesla is? Huh? Do you want to know what a Tesla is? Well, I'm not going to tell you because I'm the question guy, and that's not my question, is it? So you're not going to find out what a Tesla is, right? You have to look it up yourself. If you get a second life, would you pick to be a man or a woman, and where would you want to be born?
Zaho aloha le fampela avao. Tany tiako miteraha Canada.
She was born as
woman.
a woman
Yeah.
in Canada.
In
Born
Canada?
In Canada.
Oh, very, very nice, very nice. And you?
Me? Yeah, I would like to. If there is a next life, I would like to be born as a woman.
A woman again?
Yeah. with my mom and dad. My family again.
That is so. I nearly said something I shouldn't have said. Okay, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Like, okay, that's lovely. That's okay. It's different. Like, what about black magic? Is it real?
Yes. Huh? Because we read, but
La Madagascar rin.
in Madagascar it's real.
Yeah. Are you scared of black magic?
Atahura na.
Ato hurap.
Yeah, she's scared.
What would you? What would
Me
you?
too, I'm scared.
What would you do if one of your family or somebody came to you, a Malagasy came to you and said, "I've put black magic on you. I put a black magic spell on you." What would you do?
Kala misu humumujana taja nasi ku humumujana terahatan.
Chimana ka. Gulay baga na siya kahuli na. Ayaw parufo.
Yeah, no. If the person does that, he don't go to see you to say that he has done it. And where is the proof to say that he have done it?
So how do you know you've got a black magic spell on you then?
Kuzay mo yun. Singay mo yun.
You know nothing about black magic?
Singay mo yun.
Okay. Where or are the Ku Klux Klan? What? Where or are the Ku Klux Klan? Ask her.
Misi tu era sih. Basta ng lettera.
It's not in the Angleterre, like. Right, okay, they haven't got a clue what the KKK is.
That's what I want to say. I've never
It's a good thing. It's a good thing, like you don't know what it is. It's a bad thing, like that should not happen. If you had to have one food, you're only allowed one food for the rest of your life. You're never allowed to change that food. You can only have that particular food for every meal for the rest of your life. What food's it going to be?
Bukan ni. Chop.
Mace.
Mace, what about you?
Potato.
You'd have potato and she'd have mace, which is corn, sweet corn. You'd eat sweet corn the rest of your life and you'd eat potato the rest of your life. That's interesting. What would you do each day if you had no arms or legs?
Manji.
Sleeping.
Sleeping. That's what you'd do. You'd go sleeping.
Me trying just to. If it's me, I trying just to be a habit on what I have. Trying just to live life.
Yeah. Last question. Does she know how I make money?
I know women know 50 as a one job. Multi-job. 50%.
Business money.
Eka, doing what?
Manawin ng business man.
Mampi dikit jata.
Huh?
Mampi dikit jata.
Just
Mampi mati. Mampi asa jala lah
using your money on something.
Turning my money
Yeah.
around. That's true. I do. I turn my money around. And you? Do you know what I do to make money?
Yeah.
What do I do?
On stock market.
Stock market.
Yeah.
What else? Anything else?
Buying and selling land.
Land.
Yeah. Philippines. Buying and selling, buying and renting.
And YouTube.
YouTube as well.
YouTube. I get a little bit of money from YouTube now every month. Monetize my channel.
Yeah.
There you go. That's it, girls. That's it. Let's get some dinner in it. What are we having for dinner?
Fish, for us fish.
We've got steak, fish. What else?
Rice.
Rice. No potatoes.
Salad.
No mace.
Uh-huh.
Salad.
Uh-uh.
Sounds okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Dago's doing all right. There he is. Dago. They put a stupid elastic band on his hair, look. Bless his little cottons. But he's happy he'll be walking any day soon. We're nearly there. Dago! Hey! How you doing? That's it, we're out of here. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a sub, check me other channels out, and I'll see you in the next one.